Hi everyone, this is Copper from Landpack Machinery, Foshan, China. Today, I will introduce our flow packing machine, LP1000X, with downpaper design. This is the first part, feeding conveyor. This is the downpaper device. This is the vertical sealing device and horizontal sealing device. This is the feeding conveyor. The conveyor is made of the stainless steel. It can adjust it to 370 millimeters, so it is suitable for packing such as flatbread, bulk, fruit, towels, and so on. When the product goes through to the main packer, here are two eye sensor devices. It will send a signal to the computer when the product goes through. It will continue the sealing. If there are no product, it will stop the sealing. This is the nitrogen gas. Before the horizontal sealing is finished, it will fill the nitrogen gas into the bag, which ensures the freshness and long storage time of products. And the product will go through the vertical sealing and then to the horizontal sealing. So let me show you the working video of this model. Our machine can be customized. If you have any question, please contact us without hesitation. Bye.